It's October already. I've been doing my lunar haircut journey for 3 months. So today I will be selecting a goal and we'll look at the dates of when I can cut my hair, and then I'll share that video. But before I do that, I just wanted to share a little bit about Morrocco Method and the blunt snip hair cutting method that I'm doing through this process. So Morrocco Method was founded by Anthony Morrocco, and back in the 60s when he was cutting hair in New York in the salon, there were a lot of rich celebrities that would come in with damaged hair from the chemicals they were putting on it. That kind of set him on his life journey to find healthier alternatives for caring for our hair. So he actually became and studied under some shamans, and he's considered a hair shaman, and he uses the moon cycles to determine when the best days are to cut your hair. He uses the blunt snip hair cutting technique because it's the best way to help your hair become stronger with less split ends and less breakage. And so that's why we're doing it this way. We're also following that lunar hair cycle, the moon cycles. It's been something that has been used for centuries for like harvesting and planting and all of that jazz. So it's really good to follow too with the different goals that you have for your hair. There's 5 goals within this lunar hair cycle. Each month you pick a goal. There's a date that goes along with that. So I did lengthening in August. I did strengthening in September. And this month I'm gonna go clear over to beautify and cut my hair on one of these days, the 20th, 21st, or 22nd. Anthony recommends if you have 3 days to try to do it in the middle, so we'll shoot for the 21st. But that's gonna be my hair goal for October, is to beautify.